Snapchat for event marketing, top 5 tips to consider. Snapchat is an instant selfie and video marketing tool for teenagers. The platform has 10 million active users with over 1 billion stories viewed and shared every day. Snapchat for event marketing, top 5 ways to promote your virtual events online. 1. Create your geo-filter. Get a branded geo-filter for your event. Build connections and create a buzz amongst your target audience instantly. 2. Use Snap famous influencers. Connect with your audience in a creative way and raise awareness for your event. 3. Include some interesting facts in your story. Post the most fascinating and interesting facts about the event or conference in your story. 4. Use Snapchat during the event. Capture snapshots and videos of the event and share them instantly with people who could not attend. Give your fans a behind-the-scenes look at your event to increase audience engagement. Highlight and reveal your speakers, sponsors, food stalls, accessories, and performances. Use fun facts about the event. Introduce a hashtag or a promo code to your benefit. 5. Use Snapchat after the event. Share a recap of the event highlights at the end of the show. Gather reviews and feedback from the audience post-event. Additionally, you can use Snapchat to create excitement around your event with filters, stickers, GIFs, and more, while encouraging your followers to follow along with snaps and stories. Snapchat for event marketing is one of the beneficial methods for event promotion. For more tips and guidance, reach us at hello@hexafair.com.